This video is a walkthrough of the District Comparison Dashboard on Montana's statewide longitudinal data system, GEMS, or the growth and enhancement of Montana students. For a more general tutorial of navigating and using the GEMS interactive dashboards, watch the GEMS dashboard navigation video first in our playlist. This video covers more specific features of the District Comparison Dashboard. The District Comparison Dashboard houses school system-specific information, including characteristics, performance, and financial data to provide you capacity for comparison of school districts in Montana. If you're looking to view an overview of one particular district, you should navigate to the District Profile Dashboard instead. To begin using the District Comparison Dashboard, we first need to select school districts of interest. We could view all districts at once by selecting the View All Districts button. Here, all school districts in the state of Montana will populate in the table. Or we can return to a specific selection and hand select only those schools we're curious of selecting. You can scroll through and find the school districts of interest here, or you can use the search feature to narrow your search for you. For example, if we were looking to compare elementary schools in the Bozeman area. The data provided now throughout the pages of the dashboard are for those districts that are selected. The District Comparison Dashboard contains 3 pages. The first provides an overview of the selected districts. The second on the district's statewide assessments, and the third on the district's financials. We'll begin on the overview page. The table that populates provides various information for the districts selected, including an enrollment count for each district, the student-to-teacher ratio, an attendance rate, a graduation rate if a high school district is selected, special education participation, free and reduced eligibility, and the per pupil expenditure amount. You'll notice in this table that because we only have Bozeman Elementary School Districts selected, no graduation rates are provided. However, if we add the Bozeman High School District to our table, a graduation rate does populate. Depending on the number of school districts you've selected, you may find it easier to read this table enlarged or download it. By hovering over any visualization in GEMS, 2 icons appear in the upper right-hand corner. The first is focus mode, which will take the visualization and enlarge it, making it a little bit easier to read. Navigating back to the dashboard, the second option is an ellipses for more options. The first selection here to export data provides you the opportunity to view the data in the current layout, which will download the same file to your computer as an Excel. Or you can view the summarized data, in which case you can choose between an Excel or a CSV. Once you've selected the file type, choose the yellow export button and the file will download directly to your desktop. Navigating now to the statewide assessments page. This page of the District Comparison Dashboard allows you to view the proficiency levels as well as the average score across assessment types for the selected school districts. The different tabs across the top allow you to navigate between the different assessments. Smarter Balanced Assessment for math and ELA will be applicable to school districts that serve students grades 3 through 8. The ACT in math and ELA will be applicable to high schools only. The CRT assessment will be applicable to both elementary and high school districts. This table can be reorganized by any of the columns. By hovering over a column title, an arrow will populate in the bottom left-hand corner. Selecting district name will reorganize by alphabetical order. If you reorganize by any of the proficiency levels or the average score, it will reorganize descending or ascending order by numeric value. Lastly, we'll navigate to the financials page of the dashboard. The information provided on this page is the average number of belonging or A and B count for each selected school district, as well as the per pupil revenue and per pupil expenditure for each school district. In the same way that the statewide assessments table could be reorganized, This financial table can be reorganized by district name, A and B, revenues, or expenditure amounts. The Data Definitions and Explanations tab at the bottom of the dashboard environment can be used if there's ever a data element that you want to know more about. For example, if you wanted to know what all was included for per pupil revenues, you'd first navigate to this tab, ensure that you're on the same page of the dashboard, and then find that data element that you want to learn more about. You now know how to navigate the district comparison dashboard. You have a basic understanding of what data are contained, and you know how to utilize the Data and Definitions page to explore any concept or data you want to know more about. With these skills, tools, and knowledge, you should be able to confidently start comparing school districts in Montana. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the GEMS Help Desk.